Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is really just me reaching out to you to see how you're all doing. It is Saturday. Things here in my area of this country are crazy. It is just absolutely crazy. So I don't want to loom and gloom in this video. I just kind of want to see how you guys are doing and to talk to you about how I've been staying on plan during this quarantine, because some of you were asking, so I am here to deliver. As far as health goes, I still have the cough. It's definitely a lot better than it was. It's just this dry cough. I've had it for almost a month now. It's not shocking, excuse me, because over here everything is in bloom. It started with my eyes being itchy and teary, and that was when all of the pollen and things started to come out. So I just thought it was allergies. And as the time has gone by, I have had no fever, no shortness of breath, no other symptoms. So I haven't been tested. I haven't gone to my doctor. I've just been kind of quarantining at home, not really going anywhere or doing anything. And so yeah, that's health-wise. Everyone in my house has been okay. Brittany, though, 2 days ago started with a stomach ache and some diarrhea, and last night and this morning she's been vomiting. So I don't know what that is, but no fever, no shortness of breath, no cough. So we're just kind of all keeping separate for now. Excuse me. As far as Optavia goes, it's wonderful. It is so convenient, and truth be told, I don't know how I would fare without it at this time. It has been making my days not surrounded with the idea of food, because it can be boring, you know, when you're just sitting home. I've seen a lot of people posting about how they're gaining weight and how they're totally off plan and food is limited and all these other things. So I'm grateful to be on Optavia at this time. Let's see, excuse me. You can clearly see my roots are coming in. My hair has gotten longer, but I mean, it is what it is. I'm not that vain. It's not like I'm going anywhere. I am working from home right now, thank goodness. So, yeah, so it is what it is. I do try to get up and showered and dressed and put makeup on, as you can see. I just feel like if I didn't do that and I just kind of hung around in sweats and let myself go, it would make things worse mentally for me, because I would feel like I was in like a depression and like a funk. So advice to you guys: get up, shower, get dressed. You don't have to throw makeup on and do all glam, but it definitely for me has been helping. Exercise. So in our garage, we have a Smith machine, we have a pull-up machine, we have barbells and free weights and mats, like all kinds of stuff to work out. There's absolutely no excuse when it comes to working out, but I have let that slide a little bit, and I have only been working out probably about 50% of the time rather than 100%. I've just been super busy at work. Sometimes I don't finish work until 7, 8 o'clock at night, and then my phone is on 24/7. So occasionally at night I get a call that I have to deal with. So it's been a little difficult, still no excuse. So I have been making that effort. If I don't hit the gym in the garage, I've been going on YouTube and searching out low impact workouts. I did a chair workout the other day. I did high intensity. Like, there's so much out there. Pop sugar is great. There's so many different things. You could just literally search for whatever you're looking for. I did a push-up challenge the other day. So there are ways to get exercise at home. You can also, excuse me, like I do, go for walks with your dog, your spouse. The social distancing thing comes into play, but you can spend time with those who you live with under the same roof. provided that nobody is positive for COVID. Or sick in any other way. You know, it's not just that. It's just that's all we're hearing about. But people do have colds and stomach viruses and a whole host of other things, just like it would be any normal time. I haven't been going to the grocery store. I think I went once in the last 4 weeks. What I did was tried to load up as much as I could. I'm gonna have to wash my hands. And I stocked up the freezer. I bought ground turkey and lean ground beef, tilapia, shrimp, salmon. I have chicken. Then I've been buying those giant 18 packs of eggs and just storing them in the refrigerator like a lot. I have eggs. And some frozen vegetables rather than fresh so that they're already packaged and I don't have to worry about someone sneezing on them. How do I feel about delivery food? I don't know, guys. Honestly, oh my gosh, I'm so torn, right? I get it that it's a great way to get food, but I still worry about the people cooking it and preparing it and the conditions surrounding it. Even though they'll pack it up and curbside it or put it in your trunk, I still, for some reason, have a hard time with eating out at this time. So we have not done that. I have not ordered food in, haven't gone anywhere for food, none of that. So we have just learned, well, I mean, my husband and my daughter, my son lives in his own place. So I'm obviously on Optavia. So for me, it is just a matter of my lean and green. For them, it's, you know, whatever they want to eat during the day. So there's plenty for everybody. And again, another benefit with Optavia is that I don't have to worry about what I'm going to eat. It's such a great plan. It's working. Again, the weight's coming off, so I'm excited about that. Such a weird, I feel like I'm on vacation in a way, you know, like we're stuck in the house. We are quarantined here in New Jersey, so can't really go anywhere. Everything is closed. I just hope that you guys all take this opportunity to really be aware of how important health is. The surrounding situation really puts into perspective what I've seen a lot of times throughout my career are these sick patients, right? Not with COVID, but with whatever disease process they're dealing with. Could be cancer, could be something else. And they tell me that they would give everything they have just to be healthy. And this scenario kind of reinforces that we don't need anything truly other than our health, right? Shelter and something to eat. We don't need a fancy car, a huge mansion, a whole closet worth of clothes. We don't need a ton of money in the bank. We don't need the material things. We are all kind of living in the same situation. Other people have more, some have less. Just be kind. If you know somebody's struggling that lost a job and you haven't, you know, reach out to them and ask them, do you need anything? Do you need food? Do you know, is there anything I can help you with? That is the mentality that I would love to hear you guys having. There's elderly on my street that live alone. We have contacted them all. If you need anything, I can call and have your groceries delivered to your house. It's just the thought that counts. And if someone takes you up on it, do it. Be true to what you're doing and what you're saying, because we all need someone to lean on at one point in life, right? Just try to help people, guys. It's so important. And you know what? Don't do it because you want something back. Do it because you're just a kind person. Spread the kindness, spread the love. Sorry about the lack of videos. It's just been a whirlwind with my job. It's a new one and I'm loving it. Grateful to still be working. So anyway, I will try to make some more videos. And just remember, I'm always on Instagram. I post stories almost every day. There's always content on there. My weigh-ins have been going up on my Instagram stories. So if you have been missing that, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Felicia Nurse, just like this channel. And every Tuesday morning, I post my weigh-in in my Instagram story. So go check that out. All right, so I am going to leave you now. I'm going to have my next fueling, and Jess and I are gonna go walk the dogs, and that's about it. So I hope you're all doing well. I love you guys. Thanks for sticking around. Stay focused. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.